guys. So let's start to keep solving the math GRE test for the 58th, the GR1768. So the number 58 tell you there are circular helix in xy plane, and you know its parameterization equation. And there is L theta be the arc length of the helix from the point P to the 500, and d of theta is the point, is a distance between P and its origin. So we have a helix. And we know we have what? We know we have we know this arc length, all these arc length called L theta. And this point is called base theta. And we need to find the distance from base theta to the origin. So all we need to know is the L theta, and there's a formula. Basically, it's just arc length of the curve, but now it's 3D. So just dx over d theta, dy over d theta square, dz over d theta square, d theta from the point A and B. So this A, B means the theta parameters start from A and B. So once we know A and B, then we can know the P of theta. And we know the P of theta, we just calculate the Euclidean distance. Then finish. Okay. So first, the starting point is 500. So 5 is equal to 5 cosine, 5 sine, etc. So in the starting point, theta equals 0. So A is 0. Okay. So we plug it into this one. 0 to some B. So and the dx over there is minus sine 5 sine, and the dy of theta is 5 cosine square, and 1 square d theta. So we have 26 equals to, this is square 26, 0 b d theta. So b is square root of 26. Okay. So we are done. We are done. The computer is very bad. So this B. Okay. So what is the P point? Just 5 cosine square root of 26, 5 cosine sine square root of 26, and square root of 26. Okay, so the distance, just these two square, 25 plus 26, square root of 51. So we choose B. We choose B.